this is not the key.
You're gonna replace that all the way back to there.
No, I'll probably just come back. I'll probably just come back to here and then tie the two together.
I'll do it right here in the doorway. Right where the doorway is.
Well, when you say 12 footers, you know how to tie them together, right?
Yeah, you can
just like overlap, like you lay a couple together, you just overlap the joint, so you have a joint here.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, so that way, and then have
this one you can fit a hammer in the crack. Like
it's
split right to pieces.
I don't know. Kind of. It's not too bad. It's not gonna fall down right. It's fine.
Let's go all the way, you said?
Yeah. But the beam we're standing on, this one, it runs the whole way without no supports in the middle. So this one, I mean, it does have a lot of weight from the roof onto it, but I mean, this is strong.
So what do we? You said you're not replacing all the plywood on the roof? I really like, cause that needs to be done, and all like this. Like, I don't know. The bottom
yeah, I'm not sure how picky they are. If they see any sort of black, they might make us redo it. Like, replace probably these 4 and 2x6s, but and then a couple pieces of plywood. I think the rest of it's fine.
I'm sure you know this.
What? Oh yeah, the metal
So we do need to know, I mean, not right now, eventually we're going to need to know how many outside corners and stuff like that.
But this right here, there's another roof built over this that ties in, like,
yeah.
Cause like, so we're going to have to redo 2 roofs here, because if you look on the outside, they have this addition that goes up.
We're going to replace like 4 walls, aren't we? The 3 for that room and then this kitchen wall. I don't think we're gonna need to replace this back wall. Actually, maybe.
He's gonna have to get over here. When you're ready to start framing this wall in, you want windows and stuff that he's supposed to be picking out. So when we fix this wall, he wants just a man door from there with a slider away.
Oh, so what kind of windows do you want? These walls? These 3 walls?
We'll have to get what size, how big. We're not gonna be able to start those.
Yeah, no.
So we're gonna have. I'll tell him that he's gonna have to meet you. What's today? Thursday. Need something for asphalt. Do they only have Husky? Home Depot? Home Depot brand is. I guess it makes sense. They're not bad. I've never had any issues with them.
Have you had a Husky brand before?
Yeah.
Was it decent? And does it seal really well?
No. That's why. Okay, come here. This is the same set, just about, but it's $10 cheaper. This set will rust quick. What is that? That's junk. I've had that kind before. They're junk. We're gonna clean this out as much as we can, get all the snow and debris out of there. Come. So the hypothesis here is that water is getting in between the foundation here and this slope here. The slope was put in here specifically to allow the water to run away from the foundation. Put this right up in there. See, normally I'd be worried about touching this with my hands. It's so cold, it's not very sticky. So we're going to use this as the filler to fill this crack that you see all the way down. And once we get this all padded in there, we have some tar sealer that will come up on the top and we'll seal right here as well. Alright, this is supposed to seal the foundation to the asphalt. So hopefully if you get any rundown on the actual foundation right here, hopefully it's not going to wash up and go behind all that asphalt that we just put down. I'm not saying this is the perfect fix, because it isn't. But the potential buyers, we offered them a couple solutions, and they just pretty much asked for the patch job because they don't want to pay anymore. And they actually talked us down, I think, $7,000 on the listing price of the house. So we're just giving them the patch job if they want to fix it the right way in the future, which would be digging this whole wall out and having it waterproof the right way and putting proper drainage in. They can do that later on. right up. That's a big crack. You can see how much I put in there. It's just coming out, or just disappearing to the void. Hopefully now that'll run out that way. Alright, so we got a similar issue that we had outside, inside. There's a big gap here, as you can see. So any water that's getting on the outside of the foundation, it's gonna run all the way down till it gets down here, and it's gonna find its way right in here. Again, this isn't the right way to fix it, but this is the quick way to fix it, and it's the budget way to fix it. Temporarily. Let me brush that crack for me. There we go. So that's one section. So we foam filled all these cracks. They're all foam filled now. There was a pretty decent size separation between the concrete slab and the foundation wall. And if you stuck your hand in that crack, you could feel the dirt. So we pretty much know that that's where the water was coming in. We put the foam in there for now because it's too cold. Even the walls are too cold. Even if we put a heater in here, we're never going to get concrete to set in there. And they want this house. They want to close now. So this is the best temporary way to stop the water from coming in and keep this basement dry, which is one of their main concerns. So we foam filled everything, and then once this cures, we'll come back in probably 2 days, and we will mortar over everything down here, and we'll build just a slight little ramp, and we'll probably go all the way up to where this old repair is, and hopefully that'll keep the basement dry, or at least make it manageable for this, you know, French drain to do what it's meant to do.